Today we're going to be installing the Widemaxx kit on the Xmaxx, and then we're going to go test it out and bash it. Okay, so here's a little quick comparison between the Xmaxx with the stock arms. So you can see the crane is a little bit wider right now. So here's the kit. We got color orange. I think it just looks good with the green body. And here's just the different colors you could get. You got your arms, springs, drive shaft, and your steering links. Here's just a little comparison between the old one and the new one. So we also got the new sledgehammer tires for the Xmaxx. I'm not really a big fan of chrome, but I mean, that will do. So again, here's a comparison with the Kraton. Yeah, Xmaxx looks a lot better now. Maybe because of the tires, the Xmaxx looks a little bit wider, but I think they're about the same width now. It's really sandy over here. Yeah, I didn't adjust the suspension, which I probably should have. Pretty sweet jump over here. Logs. Ooh, nice brakes on that. Front flip attempt. Ah. Okay, so we just got to a different park. Yeah, next time I'm gonna run it, I'm gonna probably mess around with the suspension. I should have put the other springs on. The bottom's out pretty easy. I mean, I like the look of it, how low it looks, but yeah, I'm gonna have to grab the other springs next time. Got some grass. Oh no. Gotta try the reverse wheelies. think reverse wheels are a lot easier than the front ones. Where did it go? Oh. So it looks like we didn't break the arm. Okay, so it looks like we just broke the bottom piece right here, which is not too bad. I already changed it before once, but arms did not break. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.